Hi, in this video I want to show you how to draw the polyline. Okay, to draw the polyline, simply you can type the PL. Okay, PL stand for P line, polyline. Press enter. Okay, click over here. Okay, bring cursor to the right like this. Okay, I put the length 200. Press enter. Okay, so this line is 200. Okay, then now I want to draw the arc. Okay, simply you can type A, press enter. So the line become the arc like this. Okay, now I want to specify the second point of the arc. So I just type S, press enter. I click over here. Okay, this is the second point. Then third point of the arc is, I just click over here, click. Okay, so now I want to change the arc to the line simply by type L, press enter. Okay, the arc become the line like this. Okay, alright. Okay, bring downward, click, press enter. Okay, this is the polyline. Okay, so what is the difference between polyline and line? Okay, let I show to you. Okay, I delete this. The difference between line and polyline, when you draw the rectangle, for example, using polyline. Okay, let I show to you how to draw the rectangle using polyline. I click over here. Okay, bring to the right. I put the length 100. Press enter. Bring downward. I put the length 100. Press enter. Bring to the left. 100. Press enter. And then I type C. C stands for close because I want to close this rectangle. So I type C, then press enter. Alright, so done with my rectangle by using polyline. As you can see, when you use the polyline command to draw the rectangle, when you click to the rectangle, the line already connected within each other. Okay, different by using the line. Let I show to you. Okay, by using the line command, I draw the rectangle. Okay, I click over here. Okay, bring cursor to the right. Put 100. This is also 100. Bring to the left, also 100. Type C, press enter. Okay, what is the difference between polyline and line? When I click to the line, so you can see the line is split between each other. So we need to join all of this line to become polyline. When I click to polyline, you can see all the line already connected within each other. Okay, so to connect all of this line, see, I select all of the line, then type J. J stand for join. Press enter. Okay, so all the line already connected. Okay, so when I bring my cursor over here, you can see the information is state that polyline. Okay, alright, so okay, hope you understand what about my explanation for the polyline command. Okay, thank you, bye bye.